I'm gonna show you how to create a sprite a ramp. So I'm just gonna grab this video I have here, and now what you have to do, just select the portion where you like to add the speed ramp. I'm gonna add here the speed ramp, and now I'm just gonna cut right over here, and now I'm gonna right click right over here where you see the icon. You can also right click here, just click and click on expand so you can see. And now I'm gonna go to time ramping and speed for the second one as well. Time ramping and speed. And here I will just, you can click on this pen tool to add now the speed, or another way, Control plus Z to remove the speed ramp point, is actually to hold. So if you are in a selection tool, and if I hold Control, you see now this plus, so I can add points. I think it's faster this way. Now I'm gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna drag this handler like this. Now for this space here, I can select, click, and delete. And here now I just have to extend these handlers here. So grab like this and like this, and now right here, click on that. Let me zoom in, and you have this handle now, so you have more like this. So it's not straight, it has this motion. And that's now, let's actually hold Alt and zoom in. Now we can actually grab this and move it. From here we can change, actually increase this even more. And here time ramping, you can see here. And let's actually like this. And like this. Okay. You see? Now here I can add another one. Another one. Okay. Hold Control. Add another one. Hold shift. Add another one. Add another one. Shift. Control. And now let's edit. Zoom in. Grab these handles. Like this. See, now it's fast. So let's extend this. Okay. Select this portion. And this portion. Perfect. Now what we have to do here, I'm gonna use shift. We have to go here like this now. This portion like this. This one like this here. That's absolutely too much. Rewind. Let's zoom in. Like this. Okay. Now this obviously more work because throughout the entire process, if you had a lot of speed ramps, you're gonna have some error, some parts that you don't like, you have to change. So it's really important. Keep in mind that you won't get it. You won't get it right in the first time. You won't get it right. You won't get it right in the first time. So just try, and then your speed ramp, especially if you had a lot of speed ramps, will look really good. But another thing that you have to do, which I didn't and is not okay, is actually to cut all the portions. You can start exactly where to add a speed ramp. You have to mark that area. You can press on M. I want to add another speed ramp here, another one here, another one here, another one here. Now you have some markers. Now you know exactly where to cut. So you're gonna cut this portion, that portion, that portion, that portion, that portion, and then you're gonna start to add all the speed ramps right between your videos. So it's gonna take more work, but you're gonna get way better results. All right. So I hope you learn from my mistakes, and if you have any questions, suggestions for the next tutorial, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.